my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you one of my newest toys. I'm talking about this. This is Hohem iSteady X. Please stick around till the end. This video is for you.
Before anything else, please feel free to like and share this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads.
This is Hohem iSteady X. This is tagged as the world's lightest foldable 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for smartphones in the market. Before I begin, I'd like to say that this is not a sponsored video. Nothing was sent for me for free. I did this on my own, paid it with my own money, so please expect a very honest product review. So let's find out what's inside the box. Inside the box are the Hohem unit, the detachable mini tripod, the power cable, the wrist strap, the storage pouch, and last but not the least, the quick start guide. So before we talk about how it works and its functions, let's talk about the dimension first. First up, it is ultra light, weighing only 259 grams or 0.57 pounds. It's almost the same weight as an iPhone 13 Pro Max. It is foldable, very compact, fits in the pocket with foldable dimension of 179 by 79 by 39 millimeters. It is fully loaded, can take up to 280 grams. It is rechargeable with battery capacity of 2000 mAh, operating time up to 8 hours, and charging time up to 2 hours. It comes in two colors, white and black, and it's compatible with most iPhones and Android phones. And it is capable of 3-axis stabilization. And you're gonna ask me, what is 3-axis stabilization? It's the same question I asked myself while browsing through the shopping app. It means the phone camera is stabilized whether it is going up or down, left or right, front or back. So it is shake-free, cancels light movements, making your video quality a lot better. And I didn't make it up. I also just read that. I am not a pro. I'll include the link on the description box below where you can read the differences between 1, 2, and 3 axis, how it works wonder, making your video a lot better. So before using the Hohem iSteady X, normally you have to download the Hohem Pro app. How to find the Hohem Pro app? You can find that either by scanning the QR code found on the quick start guide, or you can search Hohem Pro on Apple App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users. And once you download the app and open it, an activation instruction video will pop up and you can follow that video. But that's not what I did. So what I did is I opened the Bluetooth and the Hohem Pro app, and I long press the power button and I let them find each other and pair them up. Yes, just like an ordinary love story. Buti pa sila. So how to use the Hohem iSteady X? It's very easy with its one-hand operation, very beginner friendly. First, you have to unscrew and then unlock and then tighten and mount the phone. When you mount the phone, make sure that the Hohem logo is facing upward. Camera is on the left side. And make sure that the phone is snug tightly on the mount. I'm using an iPhone 13 Pro with an Urban Armor Gear thick casing that I refuse to remove for added protection. So what I do, I just push it in just to make sure it is snug in, because it's gonna vibrate and it's gonna turn off. So make sure that the phone is mounted very tightly. Now let's get familiarized with the buttons of the Hohem iSteady X. First up, on the right side is the power button. Long press the power button, it will power on and off. Single tap the power button, it will switch to landscape to portrait and vice versa. Double tap the power button, it will recenter. Next up, on the left side, you will find the shutter button. Single tap the shutter button, it will take photo or video. Double tap the shutter button, it will switch to photo to video and vice versa. Triple tap the shutter button, it will switch to front to back camera or vice versa. And on the center, you will find the joystick. It is a direction for pan, tilt, and roll. It is not a button, so you have to move up or down, left or right. And on the right side, the light there, you will see the Bluetooth indicator. And then on the left side, you will find 3 lights. It is your battery indicator. And then on the side, you will find the zoom in and zoom out button. Push up to zoom in, push down to zoom out. And now here are the sample video of the handheld versus with the Hohem Pro app. Please watch this. And aside from making the video shake-free, there are many functions of the Hohem iSteady X via the Hohem Pro app. And these are some of my favorites. So there you have it, the Hohem iSteady X. I really like this because it's very affordable and very easy to use, very ideal for first-time users of gimbals like me. And I also like that it has its own tripod. It can stand on its own while I go through all of the functions and take videos of myself. Because my channel is a one-woman channel. I don't have any cameraman or other stuff. I do it on my own. So it's really ideal that it can stand on its own. What I really don't like about it, not really don't like, but maybe I'm just worried, I am overthinking, is the joystick. I'm not sure with other gimbals if they have the same thing, but I find it a bit flimsy. I hope it will not gonna break easily. I hope it will last. Yun lang. I hope I was able to help you with your Hohem iSteady X if you already bought one, or I hope I help you decide if you are planning to get one. Otherwise, if you have any questions, suggestion, collab, or product feature, please comment down below, or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. Please feel free to like and share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.